So it's a boho dress, so boho look create हुई है इससे. Hi guys, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my indigo prints collection, and I'll share with you how to style indigo prints. अब indigo prints दोनों टाइप के आते हैं, हैंड ब्लॉक प्रिंटेड भी होते हैं एंड मशीन प्रिंटेड भी होते हैं. सो इट्स लाइक वी ऑल आर सपोर्टिंग द इंडियन ब्रांड, सो इट्स बेटर टू सपोर्ट द इंडियन कल्चर टू. सो इंडियन वेयर आर माई एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट, और इंडियन वेयर में एक कैटेगरी आती है इंडिगो प्रिंट्स. इंडिगो प्रिंट्स आर लाइक आई लव दोज एंड आई एम सो ऑब्सेस्ड विद ऑल द इंडिगो प्रिंट्स कि मेरे पास ऑलमोस्ट एक चीज़ है जितनी भी चीज़ें अवेलेबल होती हैं. सो आई थॉट ऑफ creating a video in styling and knowing about the color combinations which suit with the indigo prints, because blue or white में होता है indigo print usually. So what all colors will match with these prints, and I have a kurta, a sari and a bunch of stuff which you will see in the video. So if you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of fashion videos on Instagram, so if you want fashion inspiration, then go check out my Instagram. It's exponential.u, and you'll find a lot of stuff and a lot of relatable fashion videos, so go check that out. And without further ado, let's get started. So the first look in this video is what I'm wearing now. So it's a maroon colored maxi dress, and I love the combination of maroon with blue, so I paired it up with a blue shrug, I mean the indigo print shrug. So it is such a nice combination, and maroon complements the shrug. So it's a maxi dress, it's plain, so I topped up with the jewelry, wherein एक silver choker necklace है and the other one is a long necklace. maxi dress plain है तो एक long necklace essential हो जाता है, and the choker is absolutely fine. So it's a boho dress, so boho look create हुई है इससे. So it's better to go over the top with the jewelry, but I like to keep it simple at the same time. So I skipped on the earrings and just went with the neck pieces, which are heavy, and I got the choker neck piece from Amazon, but I guess it's available on Myntra too, so I'll provide the link in the info box below, so do check that out. And the maxi dress is from Myntra, the shrug is from Myntra, all the links will be in the description box, so check that out. So next is the indigo print kurti. Indigo print kurti looks absolutely amazing. You can pair it up with white, you can pair it up with red, as I have done it with a red colored palazzo pants. So these are the flat palazzo pants, or red and blue look absolutely amazing. So do try this combination and you will look absolutely, out of the box kind of outfit it becomes. So do try blue with red, and it is a very common and very easy to wear outfit, so do try this one. ऑफिस वेयर के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है, और आप इस तरीके की आउटफिट ट्राई कर सकते हैं अपने ऑफिस में जब भी आपके ऑफिस खुल जाएंगे. अभी आई नो पैंडेमिक है, बट घर पे भी आप इस तरीके का लुक ट्राई कर सकते हो, बिकॉज आई वर्क फ्रॉम होम, सो आई try and I prefer to wear kurtis at home because they are easy to wear. हसल नहीं होती कुछ कुर्तीज़ के साथ. So try kurti with a palazzo and blue indigo print with a red color, and you look absolutely amazing. So next outfit is my absolute favorite, which is a white chikankari kurta with white culottes, and I paired it up with a indigo print dupatta. It's a hand block printed dupatta which I got from Myntra, and it is a very affordable cotton dupatta. I think it costed me around 600 rupees. Try that out and check out the link in the description box and go buy this one. And for the jewelry, I paired it up with my statement earrings, and these earrings are from an Instagram store called Suhana Art and Jewels. So if you want to buy these are very popular, and I saw Komal Pandey wearing these earrings, so I thought of buying these. These are a bit expensive, but I love these earrings because they are just enough in itself. So I love these earrings, and you guys can check that out on their page. You can just DM them or just WhatsApp them. If you want to get these, then I'll provide the handle name in the description box. And this kind of a look is very easy if you are going somewhere. If you want to wear something very simple and don't want to put any much effort in this, so try this kind of an outfit and you are good to go. I mean, if you have a puja function at home or कोई फैमिली गैदरिंग है, तो रक्षाबंधन इज कमिंग, सो यू कैन ट्राई दिस काइंड ऑफ एन आउटफिट ऑन रक्षाबंधन। और मुझे तो रक्षाबंधन इस बार सेलिब्रेट करने नहीं मिलेगा बिकॉज ऑफ द कोरोना वायरस, आई कैंट ट्रैवल, बट यू गाइज कैन ट्राई दिस काइंड ऑफ अ लुक एंड यू लुक एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग। सो नेक्स्ट इज इंडिगो प्रिंट प्लाजो। और इंडिगो प्रिंट प्लाजो पर मैंने एक वीडियो बनाई थी wherein I styled this plazo in 5 different ways, so you can check that out. Also for today's look, I styled it with a white top, white crop top and a yellow colored shrug. So jo yellow है, it looks very nice with the indigo color, and as per the color palette, I love this combination and it looks so amazing and so refreshing to the eyes. And it's a lemon yellow color, so lemon yellow and white already complement each other, and with the indigo it's a twist in the outfit. So you guys can try out this kind of an outfit. Already Indian wear में कुछ coordinate sets with the shrug, same colored shrug का fashion already है, so you can try this kind of a trend wherein you pair up 3 different colors and 1 is printed and 2 are plain. So इस तरीके का combination भी आप लोग try कर सकते हो in indigo prints. So let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this combination. For the jewelry in this look, I have paired it up with a nice statement necklace, as shrug thoda basically it's a kurta which is opened and slit wala kurta hai, the lemon yellow one. So I thought of like wearing it as a shrug, और ताकि मैं ज्वेलरी पहन सकूँ उसके साथ जो कि एक स्टेटमेंट ज्वेलरी हो और सिंपल आउटफिट को एक थोड़ा एक्सेंचुएटेड लुक दे. सो इस तरीके का पर्ल नेक पीस मैंने इसके साथ स्टाइल किया है, एंड पर्ल नेक पीस लुक्स एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग बिकॉज इट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स विद द वाइट क्रॉप टॉप. सो ये बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है, एंड लेट मी नो इन द कॉमेंट्स कि आपको कैसा लग रहा है ये लुक. सो द लास्ट indigo print thing in this video is a sari. It's a hand block printed sari which I bought from Bangalore only. In an exhibition I got it. Talking about the color combinations and the colors which will work with this indigo hand block printed sari. So I styled this sari in 3 different ways with 3 different colors, and I'm gonna tell you that these colors look absolutely amazing with this hand block printed sari, and I would suggest you guys to be careful while you're buying a hand block printed sari, because if not styled properly it can make you look older than your age. So beware while you are buying this kind of a sari. So there are 3 different types in which I have styled this one. So the first one is with the orange colored t-shirt. So orange is neon orange, so I got this t-shirt from Shein, and Shein is gone. So anyhow, buy this kind of a neon color, and you can pair this sari with this color and it looks absolutely amazing. But beware while you are styling it, क्योंकि this top is a high neck top and the whole t-shirt thing is going on. So don't go with the open palla style when you're wearing this sari. Just do the pleats of the palla and wear it that way so that it doesn't look very bulky. And for the jewelry, I kept the jewelry very minimalist because it's already too much going on with the whole dress situation. So keep the jewelry minimalist. So that's how you style a sari with a t-shirt. So for the second look, I styled the sari with a wine colored blouse, which is again a high neck blouse, but it's a sleeveless blouse. So with the sleeveless blouse, the whole outfit becomes a little bit less bulky. You can just go with plain colored, wine colored blouse and it will look amazing. You can also try red colored blouse with this one, as red looks amazing with blue. But I paired it up with this wine colored blouse and I love the look. I just love the look. And I took the palla in a half open, half folded palla style. So look how amazing this looks. And for the hair, I tied the hair in a ponytail because again, the more you just flatter on the whole look, the more bulky it will look. So it's better to just be composed in your hair. Just tie your hair in a nice bun or a nice ponytail and you're good to go. Third look with this sari is a cream colored blouse. So this one is again from Myntra and I love the whole neckline of this blouse. It's basically a crop top and I usually wear crop tops as my blouses with the saris instead of those traditional blouses because these look more modern and they make you look elegant and chic with the sari. So try pairing out these kind of blouses, and the cream one looks absolutely amazing. For the sari, I took the sari's palla as a dupatta like we take with the lehenga. So instead of putting it on the shoulder, I just wrapped it from the back and took it on my arms. So this is the different look, and you guys can carry on this kind of a look for any simple functions. There are a lot of festivals coming on. अभी आने वाले हैं बहुत सारे festivals, so you can try this kind of a look and बहुत अच्छे लगोगे आप लोग. And for the jewelry, keep the jewelry minimalist and don't go for very bulky things. Just keep on one thing and you will be good to go. Don't go for overboard with everything, and that's the a secret tip to look elegant in whatever you wear. And if you want to know other tips in looking elegant in what you wear, then I have made a video and I'll link it in the I button above, so you guys can check that out. And this is it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, then give this video a thumbs up, and also do comment down below which one is your most favorite look and how do you wear your indigo prints. And if you don't, then invest in one kind of an indigo print. As you can see, I am obsessed with these prints, and these are just, I mean, they instantly make you look good. So try investing in one of these, and if you do, then do let me know. Also, follow me on Instagram, and there is a contest going on my channel, so you guys can also participate in that contest. So also, everybody has been asked that when will the results will be out, so it's the last chance. I'll be taking out the results on 27th of July, so wait for it, and take care. Bye bye.